Hello Jolly Natics at mga ka-MHE! Alam nyo ba na may na-discover kaming chicken restaurant na inspired by your favorite Korean dramas? Just like 8-1 Class at saka yung Startup. At yan ang Poyo Chicken! Let's go and explore!
Located nga sila along Posadas Avenue sa may Sukat, Muntinlupa. At pagpasok mo naman sa kanilang dining area, it has a vibrant, spacious, and very inviting design. Ito yung tipong mako-curious ka to know ano nga ba ang offerings nila dito. Ito naman yung list ng kanilang menu. Ang in-order namin dito ay yung kanilang Save More bundles for 990 pesos. And may kasama na nga yung dalawang noodles tulad ng japchae, salted egg stir-fry, 12 pieces na boneless chicken na meron ng 2 flavors like salted egg and honey garlic. It also includes 4 plain rice, but we decided to upgrade to 1 kimchi rice and 1 signature fried rice. Nag-add na rin kami ng gochujang noodles. Ito yung pinagsamang Charlie Chan and gochujang flavors. At may kasama na nga ding dalawang fries for sharing. Yung kanilang Save More bundles ay definitely swak pagdating sa mga simpleng salo-salo or di kaya naman for something that you wanted to celebrate along with your friends and family. When it comes to the quality of food, talagang nagustuhan namin at masasabi kong napakasarap. Lalo na yung kanilang mga chicken menu. By the way, if malayo kayo, don't worry dahil available sila for deliveries through Foodpanda or GrabFood.
Dito sa MHE kami kasama mo.
There you have it, Jolly Natics at mga ka-MHE. I hope nabigyan na naman namin kayo ng bagong idea kung saan masarap mag-food trip kasama ang inyong family and friends. Kaya naman, samahan niyo pa kami sa mga susunod pa naming mga food adventures. This has been Jolin TV sa MHE, kami kasama mo.